My father was a soldier in the war with Germany. He fought with the best in the Battle of the Bulge in the beach at Normandy. He got shot while in France, but the bullet he barely felt, for the shot bounced off the buckle on his belt that held up his army pants. Ah, the buckle on his belt, the buckle on his belt, it saved his life that day, yes, the buckle on his belt. And when the war was over, he returned to his wife and son. He brought with him his army coat, his mess kit, knife and gun. One day he took that gun, the Missoula River he did go. He stood atop a bridge and he tossed that gun below. It sank beneath the waters, his military life was done. He turned around and walked back home, a new life had begun. 3 more kids would follow, life was good he felt, and he owed it all to Lady Luck and the buckle on his belt. Ah, the buckle on his belt, the buckle on his belt, it saved his life that day, yes, the buckle on his belt. He lived another 60 years before he left this life, but he gave to me that buckle and his coat and army knife. I often think about him and the cards that he was dealt, and I'm grateful for that buckle that was on his army belt. Ah, the buckle on his belt, the buckle on his belt, it saved his life that day, yes, the buckle on his belt. Ah, the buckle on his belt, the buckle on his belt, it saved his life and mine. Ah, the buckle